Hi, welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States. Welcome the President of the Taiwanese American Federation of Northern California, Mr. Jian Yang Lin.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Welcome to our annual Taiwanese American Cultural Festival. We are the Taiwanese American Federation of Northern California. We have been hosting this annual event for more than 2 decades. And for the last few years, we also have the young people from the Taiwanese American professionals join force with us. They brought us new energy and diversity. The second week of May is the Taiwanese American Heritage Week. Every year we gather together to celebrate our Taiwanese root. And also we want to share our Taiwanese heritage with our American friends, because we are proud to be Taiwanese and we are also proud to be Americans. And here I think there may be other friends from other places of the world visiting San Francisco today. You are also very welcome as well. Today we not only want to celebrate our own heritage, we also want to share it with you. We want to introduce Taiwan to you. We want you to know more about Taiwan. Taiwan is located in the West Pacific Ring. It has about more than 23 million people, and we are a little bit north of the Philippines. Taiwan is a democratic country. The president and representatives are elected directly by the people. We cherish freedom, we respect human rights, and we strive for equality. In less than a week, Taiwan's first woman president is going to take office. That is a major milestone for Taiwan. Like America, Taiwan is also a country of immigrants. Like the phrase American, the term Taiwanese does not refer to any specific ethnic group, but it refers to a group of different people who has common connection to a land. Our ancestors come from different places, including the Aborigines people in the island, whose presence in the island can be traced back as far as more than 8,000 years ago. Today, we want to use the performance, the exhibition, and most importantly, food, to give you a taste of Taiwan, so to introduce Taiwan to you. Today, we have more than 200 volunteers working here, and we want to give special thanks to the volunteers. In particular, I want to recognize the joint director of this year's event. From the Taiwanese American Federation, we have Nancy Hong, Chen Lidu, and from the Taiwanese American professionals, we have Vivian Liu. And for all the volunteers who are here, please also raise your hand, whether you are from the TAP NC or from the Taiwanese American professionals. Let's give our directors and the volunteers a big round of applause. I also want to recognize our sponsors. Without their generous donation, this event would not be possible. And their names are listed in our event brochure. So please stick around and enjoy the performance. We have more performance coming up, and will be even better performance. And check out the exhibitions and play in the activity booth and check out the food. I hope you have a very enjoyable day, and I hope you can walk away here with a better understanding, better appreciation of Taiwan. Thank you.
Next, let's please welcome Stephanie Sung, the president of the Taiwanese American Professional San Francisco Bay Area chapter.
Thank you, Steph. So if you guys don't know, Steph Lin was this year's 2015 Miss Asian America, and she's also a proud alumna from TAP SF, and she was TAP SF president in 2014. I'm going to make this short and sweet because Jan did a really good job of introducing our festival and just letting you know what this festival is about, like what we are about. So I'm gonna lead off with this. What all these volunteers believe in and making us come out year after year working tirelessly is that we really truly believe that Taiwanese and Taiwanese American culture is very vibrant and diverse. And what we hope to accomplish today is basically have all of you get to know a little bit about Taiwan and want to take a little bit of that with you. If you guys remember something about Taiwan today, we did our job. And so in learning about Taiwan, I feel like you guys will have a little bit of pleasant surprise because the Taiwan that I know, or Taiwanese American community I know, is very tenacious, we're full of diversity, and we're exceedingly passionate. So tenacity. So if you go in a culture exhibit over there, you'll see the different ups and downs and highs and lows of what Taiwanese and Taiwanese Americans have gone through throughout the ages. And through that, we persevered and still united as a community. So please check that out. You'll find that you'll be pleasantly surprised of why we're so tenacious and why there are so many of us in higher education. Secondly, diversity. So Taiwan is a very, very diverse country, and as well as our second generation Taiwanese Americans, like us, all of the TAP SF people out there. Diversity, we have diverse in language. So if you know, there's Mandarin, there's Taiwanese, Hakka, and there's also a lot of Aboriginal languages spoken in Taiwan all at the same time. And you'll see that throughout our performances today. Earlier, the Spark Quartet sang in Hakka and Taiwanese, and you'll see that we'll have an Aboriginal singer later on with Formosa Circus Art. Food. If you go into the food tent, you'll see that we have a diverse amount of food because of all the immigrants. There's have been a really amazing fusion of what we like to eat and what we came up with, and as well as culture. If you go to the arts and crafts booths over there, you'll find that actually there's also a lot of diversity in our arts and crafts booth. Thirdly, we are very, very passionate. A FOCA group, Formosa Circus Art, their story is amazing, and their passion for what they want to do and want to achieve it's a truly amazing story. If you guys will look them up after you go home, they were featured in TED Talk Taipei in 2014. They're actually the first professional acrobatic group in Taiwan, and it took 6 years to get there. And if you really want to learn their story and how much passion they took to get there, definitely look them up. And another thing is we're passionately known for being very hospitable, and of course you can tell by all the volunteers today, we're definitely passionate about Taiwanese and Taiwanese American community and culture. So hopefully you'll take away from today that you'll get a little bit more about the Taiwanese and Taiwanese American community, what we stand for, what we're known for, our trials and tribulations, and you'll be pleasantly surprised. Okay, thank you.
All right, next we'd like to welcome Mr. Ma of the Taipei Economic Cultural Office, San Francisco, to give us a few words.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing today? Thank you. My name is Joseph Ma. I'm the Director General of the Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in San Francisco. It's really an honor and a pleasure for me to be invited here today to participate in the year 2016 Taiwanese American Cultural Festival, and to be given the opportunity to say a few words at the opening ceremony. Asian Pacific American Heritage Month is celebrated nationwide during the month of May each year to honor the cultures and the traditions and also the contributions of the Asian Pacific Islanders in the United States. We all know that diversity is the most unique strength of the United States to make this country stronger and greater. And the Taiwanese American Cultural Festival highlights the celebration of the Taiwanese American Heritage Week in May, which has been held by the Taiwanese American Federation of Northern California since 1999. And as of year 2005, it has been moved from South Bay to San Francisco Union Square and has grown into an annual landmark event which has drawn thousands of the visitors and tourists from all over the world each year to experience Taiwan's unique culture, the traditions, and also to recognize the tremendous contributions that the Taiwanese American has made through their diverse talents. So on behalf of my office, the Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in San Francisco, I would like to take this opportunity to express my highest appreciation and respect to the Taiwanese American Federation of the Northern California and all the volunteers for their continuous efforts and dedication to make this festival happen each year with great success. And today, there are a lot of the booths introducing Taiwan's culture, foods, arts, and tourism. And there is also a special performance group from Taiwan, the Formosa Circus Arts, which will present you the true beauty of Taiwanese performing arts. Ladies and gentlemen, please take advantage of today's events to know more about Taiwan. And we also would like to welcome you to visit Taiwan to explore the true beauty of it in person when you are available. And at the end of my remarks, I just would like to thank you all for coming today. And I wish each of you have a good health and a wonderful weekend. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Next we have with us Scott Wiener, San Francisco Board of Supervisors, District 11.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Scott Wiener from the Board of Supervisors. Very honored to join my former colleague, Assemblymember David Chiu, here to really just come and send you greetings from San Francisco City Hall. We are San Francisco's great source of power is our diversity. We have an amazing tapestry of communities. And our Taiwanese American community, our Chinese American community, our entire diverse community, we work together to move our city forward. And so I just want to congratulate the community for another great year. I enjoy coming to the festival each year and have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I do have certificates of honor from the Board of Supervisors just to say thank you for all you do. Thank you very much.
Next, please welcome from the San Francisco Mayor's Office of Neighborhood Services, the Deputy Director, Ms. Ashley Chang.
Thank you, everyone. I'm so excited to be here today. My name is Ashley Chang from the Mayor's Office of San Francisco. I can't tell you how excited I am to see all these people here smelling the great food and seeing the pretty flowers and all the pretty costumes. But more importantly, I'm here today to present on behalf of our Mayor Lee a proclamation from the City and County of San Francisco to this special event. So let me start by reading it. Whereas thousands of San Franciscans proudly trace their ancestries to the island of Taiwan, and whereas for generations these residents have strengthened our city through their virtual contributions and achievements of all walks of life, including business, politics, education, community services, and arts and science. Whereas in 1999, President Bill Clinton designated a week of celebrating Taiwanese American culture throughout the United States. And since then, the second week of May has been traditionally being celebrated as Taiwanese American Heritage Week. Therefore, be it resolved that I, Edwin M. Lee, Mayor of San Francisco, on the occasion of the Taiwanese American Cultural Festival, do thereby proclaim May 14th, 2016 as Taiwanese Cultural Day in San Francisco. Thank you. 我本人非常高兴的看见这么多人参加这个特别的 event 我希望每年都可以再来可以带我的女儿来，谢谢。
We'd also take a moment to recognize the director and deputy director from the TEDCO Culture Office, San Francisco and Bay Area, Mr. Wu and Mr. Zhong, who have been very supportive of this event. Unfortunately, they weren't able to be here today, but we are very grateful for their support. We also like to thank Ms. Stephanie Wu, President of TAP San Diego, for representing the Taiwanese American Professional San Diego chapter, for being here. All right, and let us move now to our next VIP.
All right, great. So now here to share a few words is David Chu, California State Assembly member of the 17th Assembly District, and he'd also like to introduce one of our special guests, Jane, as well.
Good afternoon and welcome. I'm David Chu from the California State Legislature, and I am so delighted that today I think we have one of the largest crowds for the Taiwanese American Cultural Festival, and I want to welcome all of you to the oldest Asian American communities in the country here in San Francisco. There is so much for us to be proud of, and let me first start by saying that I am the proud son of Taiwanese American immigrant parents. My mother and father are here. We welcome you here. And I also should say that 10 weeks ago, my wife and I, we had our first child, who is here as well. So we have 3 generations from the beautiful island of Taiwan, from Formosa, and it is really, truly an honor to be with all of you today. Our community has come so far. Those of you who are first-generation immigrants, you have done so much to move our Taiwanese Americans forward in many fields, from medicine and academia, to business and law, to the arts, and there is so much that you have accomplished that is part of what makes us proud as Americans. I'm here, I know, along with the representative from Mayor Lee and many of us who are elected officials, because we know how important this community has been. I was just sharing with Supervisor Scott Wiener the history of our community here. And Supervisor Wiener, some of you may know, is running for the California State Senate. And if he is able to represent us in the state legislature at the end of this year, which I hope, we both have decided that Supervisor Wiener and I would like to travel to Taiwan together so that he can make his first visit to an island we know so well. I also want to just take a moment and thank those of you who are part of the second generation leadership here. Because you know, first, just how much our parents sacrificed to get us to where we are today, but secondly, you are making impacts in so many fields, in so many new fields, including politics, including the arts, including culture. And to that end, I'd like to bring up a friend. Jane, if you could please join me. This is Jane Yin Bolander. She is the daughter of Taiwanese American immigrants. And isn't she lovely? She is so talented and so creative and has accomplished so much, but I am here on a much more serious note. Jane has leukemia. It is a life-threatening illness, and some of you may know that the only cure for leukemia involves a bone marrow transplant. In order for her to get a bone marrow transplant, she needs to be matched with a donor who has a similar genetic makeup as she does, as a daughter of Taiwanese immigrants. This is why we are here today, to get the word out to all of you, to the press, and to our community. We have a booth with the Asian American Donor Program, which is in the back corner. There's a woman raising her hand. We hope that all of you might have a chance to visit the booth and register with our bone marrow program, because any of us could be Jane. Any of us next month, next year, in a decade could be diagnosed with a life-threatening illness, and we would need the help of all of us in the community. We've had so many success stories within our Asian communities when we find a bone marrow match. But to get a match, we need all of us to participate. And this is why several years ago, I registered with the Bone Marrow Registry, and why I hope all of you today will do so as well. So if you could, please help us. And if you could give another hand to Jane in her struggle and her fight. Thank you, Jane. And with that, I have brought with me a certificate of honor from the California State Legislature. I'd like to invite your leadership. On behalf of the California State Legislature, in recognition of what you're doing for our culture, for our community, for our diversity, in representing and moving forward our Bay Area Taiwanese American community, we want to present with you the highest honor from our California State Legislature, and also look forward to seeing you come and visit Sacramento. Please give it up to the leaders of our Taiwanese American community.
Thank you to the support of all of our government officials and VIPs. Let's give them all, once again, a round of applause.
So we'll just have all our VIP guests stand and maybe do a group photo for the photographers out there. Thank you.
Welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States.